Oh my god. Press the brake. Oh my god, press the brake. Press the
Okay. Hey, so what's going on, guys? So today's video, I really want to address one of the problems for the Civic. The 17 to 19 Civic Type Rs came with the one-piece rotors and are really subjected to warping really easily. So today I really want to go ahead and put on the new Paragon Performance rotors I have, and I'm also going to pair these along with the Akebono brake pads. I was told that these were the best solution for a really regular daily driver setup, and so that's what we're going to go out and try today. So the next thing to do to get started is we're going to jack the car up and we'll get started. I don't know how well you guys can see this on camera, but if I have the angle right, you guys can see how warped this rotor actually is. So it's going to be real nice to get the rotor and the pads exchanged. Okay, we got the pins and hardware removed from one of the calipers already. We're always going to want to make sure we're going to top off with brake fluid as we're bleeding the brakes to remove the pads themselves. And we're going to be using the Motools 5.1 brake fluid today. So we went ahead and worked off of camera for a little bit. We got one of the Paragon rotors on. This is the front right side, and we were just comparing it to what the stock rotor looked like. And we definitely think this is going to be a big improvement of what we were running currently. Alright, we got the Paragon rotor back onto the car. I really like the look of how this rotor looks. And so next we're going to go work on the other side. And to remove the caliper, all we're going to have to do is remove the pins and the hardware holding in the caliper. It makes things a lot easier if you have a punch like we do to remove the pins holding this in. Easy. Easy. So with how this caliper is set up, there is actually a hard line that is actually kind of hard to navigate through. So what we decided to do on the other side is we decided to take the rotor off at the same time as well as the caliper, and it gives you the best wiggle room to fit that on nicely. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so we decided to clean up the hub itself, and then we're going to put some anti-seize on here just so it makes the next brake job a lot easier to do, and it'll help fight corrosion issues. Alright, with the hub all lubed up, well, with the hub all anti-seized up, we're gonna go ahead and throw the new rotor on there, and it'll just be as simple as that for the install video today. I will, like, I'm gonna have to hold it and I'll do it real quick.
And the voice still recording.
Alright, we got both sides of the new rotors and pads onto the vehicle. It looks super good. I can't wait to actually test these out onto the road. The last thing we're going to do to end this off is just going to bleed the brakes and we'll be set. Press the brake. Press the brake. I said press the brake.